this is Tip today, guys. Have a good day, good morning. Again, this is Kuya Novo giving you this update. April 10 Chuk update. April 10, 2026. And when you look at our coconut right there, that's our condition right now. And then when you look at also the on top of the mountain, you can see those palm trees. Really struggling, I think. So our coconut, you can tell that it's really windy. Alright, so let's continue and checking our way along our way to Chuk High School. Okay, so that's it. Keep praying for all of us, of course, for safety. And thank you to the Suchabur and Rananim. So that's the update today. It's cloudy, windy. April 10, 2026 is our situation. So going right, that's going AWM. And we're here now beside Vidal, Chuk Vidal. Still raining, and you can really feel the wind. Prananim again. So that's the road with branches. Ikaw. Mabato nasa kwan. Rocks and stones on the road. So possibly, wow, look at the, oh my goodness, level naman ang ocean. Look ka, dilitaan ni mami, nag-level ang ocean sa kwan bay.
Kusog hindi kayo.
Oh, alak ka, level ang ocean sa, okay. Okay. Grabe na ni. Hey, hurry up. Hurry up. Agoy. So this is the situation here. My goodness. Oh! Abot gid sa ocean ang sakyanan, no? Alak ka. Kung anong tato na ito, mami ba? Grabe ba? So that's the update, guys. My goodness, that's really bad situation. Oh, cannot be. We supposed not to come here, mami, because example, ay kinalan ni washing yung sakyanan ba? Grabe. Wow, ocean reaches the other side of the road, mami. Grabe ba? That's terrible. It's not amazing. It's terrible. Woo! It's terrible situation here. What's this? What's that? What's that side, mami?
Seaside.
No. Shigeru side ba? But
Yamaha.
what's the village ba? Oh, Nipokus side ba? How about this side? Wow. Woo. He's going Chukai. Mana kung gay na kung muntag kinaon lagi. Gay na di, gay na lang.
Ginapil man mong lata.
Wala may lata o. Kuan man na. Dapat baon na nato dali atong kwarta o. Iyon yun mo si Kes.
Di na kong.
Ito sa akong classroom ron. Kuan ni mo akong typo. Hindi na dahil na.
No, well, wala tayo flooding. Ang sa dagat, no? Ocean. No flooding. But, yeah, ocean side. It's really, really strong. Strong wind. Nay na nga tumba diri sa saging. Wow. So, approaching choice Nantaco Height building.
Anong kuan tigin mo sa dagat.
Si PUC, good. So si PUC very busy, cleaning the road because of the few and some okay na diri kay open, walay kakuanan, walay matumba diri. Okay, that's it. So we'll check inside.
Tumba.
Bye. So this is the situation right now. We got too high and then we found some, what's this, roofing? That's roofing, Kuya?
Yeah.
Roofs?
Tin roof.
Tin roofs. My goodness. So from rooftop to the ground. And now we're going back one side. Woo. This is our update today. Is the Chuk situation right now. My goodness.
Kani. Pero dito kita sige itong pertika ko sabi. Tubangan. Kani kay may banggaan pa man.
Basura ba niya? Yato ng basura.
Ato mo yung
That's the seaside. Susumu side. Woo! This side traffic.
Ang balagon.
Traffic, why? Because the waves. See, imagine that one. The sea water.
Oh, balagon.
Sa mana?
May video mo ko sa balagon.
Looks like waterfall. See? Grabe ni bay. Unsa kay nang sa kuan kanang mga nasa park ga kuan?
Ka?
Agoy.
May park pa nga.
Oh, nga na mga fountain. Yeah, see? Fountain. This is fountain in Chuk. Right now, see? Look. Cars now, traffic this side because of the ocean. See, look. My goodness.
Dito ba ka bitso na ta?
Dito rata.
Dito ta?
Dili unong gyud nato dito, mobalik ta diri.
Diri,
See?
oh.
Hala ka.
Dirita.
Grabe, bay.
Kaya matalsik kikitaan gini mong fountain, no?
Laka.
Ala!
Diba? Dali. Transfer ko.
Okay.
Ano.
Grabe bay. La. Okay.
Wow! Splashing!
Patay. Tapas.
Splashing!
Ano mga bata, oh,
Mga bata
nagtulak.
na-enjoy. Na-enjoy ang mga bata, oh.
Basta. Balik lagi tayo.
Imagine mo.
Alright guys, friends, Chuk's friends in mainland. So this is the situation of Chuk right now. What's the kanin dito kuya? Safety eye side. Look at the situation. And that's Transco. And very sad.
I'm going in front of Shigito.
That's our truck stop bridge.
I'm going in front of Shigito.
No, Kuya, what happened to the bridge, Kuya?
It's already
Huh?
broken.
Broken? Oh, sorry for that. Oh, because of the wind. Oh my goodness. That's because of the waves, big waves. Yeah, Chuk. First time in history, my goodness. So pray for Chuk and some other islands this time. So thank you very much. And that's the update today. So when we passed this morning, it's really traffic because one way, because of those rocks on the road,
Kami
middle of the road.
Wala pa. Pastor.
So on one side,
Magkuhan ni. Mag-auction ni. Ito.
diya ka bintana ra.
Hmm.
So Lugan Church side. This is the situation right now. Full public.
Ang dagat sa tubig.
View.